Hey there, how's it going? Eric, drone racer in training. Been super busy. All my work is kicked into high gear. Haven't had a lot of time to do any flying this week. Yeah, just been watching some videos at night when I've had some time, reading about some stuff, watching some reviews on some drones, but looking forward to having a few days off coming up soon, get back out there, do some flying, and work on some things. Also have a new drone coming. Hopefully it's here tonight or tomorrow. Got the new Redcat Carbon 210 coming. Got that from Dronucopia. I'm very excited to get that. Bigger drone than what I've been flying with my little Inductrix. Supposed to be pretty easy to fly though, right out of the box. Just three switches on the transmitter, on the controllers. Hopefully we'll have that tomorrow, and I'm going to do a little recording, a little video of the unboxing and see what all that it comes with. So very excited about that, and yeah, getting ready to get back into drone mode for the next week or so. So till the next video, I will see you then. All right. As I mentioned in the previous video about how busy I've been, not being able to do much this last week or so. I didn't have much time to fly, but I did have one day over at my buddy's house and to get in a couple flights. Well, I pulled a rookie beginner mistake, which I actually did a couple times the first couple weeks. We'll get in a little hurry and excited to start flying, and forgot to put on the old antenna. So the couple of footages I got, not watchable. You can kind of see some stuff, but yeah, I'd gotten in a pretty good habit of just taking my time at the beginning and making sure everything was set up right, ready to go. During the actual flights, it was okay. I noticed it was a little choppy, but that happens sometimes with the little drone I'm using. It doesn't have the best receiver. I think that's why I don't get the best video footage, but whenever I'm flying, it always looks good when I have the antenna, and then when I watch it on the computer, it's not quite as good as what I'm seeing live through the Fat Sharks, but especially when you don't have this, it's going to be horrible. So yeah, so I don't have any new clips for you for this week. Lesson one, or one of the important lessons, is make sure you put your antenna on your FPV goggles. Definitely helps. All right, till next time. Eric, drone racer in training, expert, beginner, master. Always looks good back in action. My little Inductrix, excited to start flying. Not a good idea. It's going to be horrible. Rookie beginner mistake, not watchable. I noticed it was a little choppy. I've been watching some videos at night. I work on some things. Make one of these videos, do a little drone mode, Dronucopia, drones.shop. That's about all I got for now, so all right.